Okay, so here is the page where our independent contractors will take payments at. So here's a couple important things: the note box and the price tag. So let's say that you was charging the customer 45. You'll punch in 4500. You'll put notes like their name, their last name, their phone number. This is making it easy for me to refer back to in case we have any issues. Address 2533 Indiana Way, Northeast Ohio. Very simple, easy stuff, y'all. 2122 Grace of Canton, Ohio. And then you got the two passengers, one-way trip. Okay. After you do that, you want to go up here to save. Your notes is already in black, so you see that. You want to hit review. After that, you want to hit charge. You're going to scroll down to more. You're going to click on manual credit card entry. And you're going to put the information in. 528210500653. Back up. 4155. Then you put the expiration date in 0524, security code 174444705, and then you hit charge. After you hit charge, it's either gonna say declined or approved. If it's done declined, they ain't got no money on there. Something's going on with their bank card, maybe locked up. They might not have the right card. It may be something going on with their bank, but most likely if it says declined, it's because they do not have the funds that we're asking for, or the independent contractor is asking for. That's how that ends. If you want to back out of it, hit the back button arrow, hit the X, hit clear, everything's gone. The only two buttons you should be worried about is checkout and transactions. Transactions is where you can see where all the payments you taken out from a customer. It will show here. And that's pretty much how that works. It's pretty easy, guys.